Hey everyone, welcome. I'm going to walk you through the students dashboard that HatchXR has recently released, and I'm going to show you how you can use the students dashboard to first of all grow your skills, build more good and quality games on HatchXR, learn more about coding, as well as use the dashboard to interact with the Hatch community and help us grow the Hatch community as well as grow your skills along with it. All right, so this is just going to be a simple walkthrough. Let me start by logging in. So how do you access your dashboard? You go to kids.hatchxr.com and you click on the login button here and log into your account. So if you are already logged in, going to kids.hatchxr.com will by default open up your dashboard. So I have my username and password already set here. So let me log in. So once I log in, you can see my dashboard opens up immediately here. And now this is there are lots of new things here. So let me just show you how everything works. Okay, what are the new things implemented and how everything works here. So first of all, the very first thing that we have implemented is XP, experience points. Now students will get experience points. Users, all the Hatch users are going to get XPs for building projects, for basically using the Hatch workspace and using the Hatch workspace and interacting with the Hatch community. You can see there is an instructions panel here that tells you how can they earn XP, and they can earn XP by, you can earn XP by upvoting projects, by building good projects that other people like and they upvote your project. So anytime you upvote someone else's project, you get 1 XP. Anytime you publish a project, you get 10 XP. When somebody remixes your project, you get plus 5 XP. When somebody upvotes your project, you get plus 2 XP. So yeah, building stuff on Hatch as well as interacting with the community, all of these activities that you can do on the Hatch platform gets you some XPs. Along with that, we have also introduced a new contest called Project of the Day. So any day, the projects that are created, though among those, the ones that receive the highest number of upvotes, they will be awarded Project of the Day at the end of the cycle. So you can see there is a countdown timer going on here and it says 12 hours are remaining for today to end. So the moment this strikes, the moment this goes to 0, the projects that are top 3 here, you can see these 3 projects, the ones by Arya, the ones by Ishani and Tasneem. So Arya, Ishani and Tasneem, these 3, they will be awarded 100 XP for, because their projects received the Project of the Day awards. Okay, so that's the new competition, and along with that, there is also something. Let me show you here. So you'll see that this is on the right side. There is a profile widget that gives you your profile information, and you have earned the number of XPs here. So you have earned 57 XP, and how I have earned those XP. So you will see that I have not received any upvotes on my projects yet. So it says I have received 0 XP from upvotes, and remixes received. So you see it says 3 remixes, and it says that every remix, anytime somebody remixes my project, I will receive 5 XP. And it's telling me that my projects have been remixed 3 times. So, you know, ideally mathematically it should be 3 times 5. So I should have received a total of 15 XP for people remixing my projects. But it does not say 15, it says 20 XP. I have received 20 XP from my projects being remixed. Now why is that? That is because we have also added a new feature called daily streak. So you'll see it says 1 day streak and I am on 1x multiplier. Let me log out of this account and let me log into my regular account, and I'll show you how streak is useful. So I log in using my normal account. Awesome. So yeah, you can see that my profile here has 989 XP, and you see I am on a 4x multiplier. I have been using Hatch for 4 days. So on Monday I opened up the workspace and I built something. My multiplier went to 1x. On Tuesday again I opened up Hatch and I built something, or I interacted with some of the projects built by the community members, and my multiplier went from 1x to 2x and so on. So This is my 4th day that I've been using Hatch continuously, and as a result, I am on a 4x multiplier. What this means is all of these actions that tells you that you will receive 1 XP for upvoting someone's project, well, you will receive 1 multiplied by the multiplier. So because today I am on 4x multiplier, let me show you. So if I upvote this project, rather than just receiving 1 XP, I receive 4 XP. That is 1 multiplied by 4. The more XP you gain, the higher you will be on the leaderboard here. Okay. So yeah, there is a leaderboard as well. So it tells you how much XP you have received today and the leaderboard for today, for this week, this month, and also all of these features are there. And along with that, there is one thing that's actually, because this is my constantly used profile, so you don't see this here. But if I go to a newly created profile again, oh, my bad, not login using Google. Let me use this one only. So here you'll see the moment I log in, this tells me that complete your profile creation and get 160 XP. So this is the easiest way you can get some XPs, is by filling up your profile information. See, if it says my profile is 29% complete, if I click on update my profile, it takes me to an edit profile page where, you know, I can update my profile picture. Let's do this. And then I can add name. I can add bio details for myself. Along with that, I can add country name. So you see, this is telling me that I already filled in my bio info, so I have received 40 XP for that already. Okay, but other than that, you see, it tells there's 20 XP for country, 40 XP for filling in your school details. So all of these fields, the more you fill this information, you will receive these many XPs. So let me add country here. So I'm in India. School name, let me do Hatch XR. Select your grade, 3rd grade, date of birth, 18/03/1994. And this tells me that I will be awarded 20 plus 40 plus 20 plus 20, 100 XP for filling these 4 fields. Okay, if I select mail here and save changes, now I will be receiving what, 120 XP. See, so now my XPs immediately went from 57 to 177. The easiest way to gain XP is just fill in your profile details and you will be awarded some XP, and you will see I will be positioned somewhere on this leaderboard. I am 177 XP, right? So cool. Yeah, you see, this is I have received 100 and okay, cool. So I am on the 6th position here. All right. Yeah, other than that, so there's your my projects section, projects you have built. There's my profile, your profile that tells you all the transactions for XP you have received. There's a leaderboard, all the common things, that all the pages that were there earlier on the Hatch web pages, all those pages are here. And you have the interactive feature of daily streak, project of the day contest, and giving you XP, and the introduction of XPs. So these are the new features that we have added. Hope you enjoy using the dashboard and you find it interesting. If you have any feedbacks, then you can open up our Discord channel and send us any feedback that you might have. Otherwise, just build good stuff, invite others, and teach others to build good stuff, encourage others to build good stuff. All right, cool. See you guys. Bye-bye.